Oh, Sunday! Got up late. Now I'm out. I'm gonna sell the Phantom 4. All these heat reminds me of after high school when summer after high school when it gets boring.
Meters, turn left onto the M80 ramp to M1 Geelong.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, it reminds me of high school where it's so boring and it's so sad that I go to my old school just train the CAT or the cadet officers. So yeah.
Turn left
Sad
onto the
memories.
M80
Yes,
ramp.
I will. Fuck. Sunday, I woke up late. Now I gotta go and...
Speed camera, 180 meters ahead.
Yeah, speed camera. Yeah, I gotta go and sell my Phantom 4 drone. I'm upgrading. Yeah, all these heat reminds me of summer before high school. No, after high school. Wherein, yeah, it gets boring. Everybody's out on their vacation and I'm alone. Biking on my BMX. Well, at least Charles was there, but yeah, all these heats reminds me of sad summers. Memories. Oh well. Ain't that awesome? Is that a Corvette? I reckon it's a Corvette. Oh no, it's a Stingray. Oh, I love a Corvette. Yes, a Corvette Stingray. I don't know anything about cars. Land Cruiser Sahara. It's massive. That guy's massive too. I love Pearl Jam. In front of me. Yeah, I love Pearl Jam live. Yeah, boy. So yeah, so I currently just sold my Phantom 4, and I'm here in this wetlands, just skateboarding, cruising. Because yeah, it looks good, and you can see the wetlands there, and it's a nice place to go around. What's that? There's a close road. Anyway, I'll just have fun for now. It's cool. Yeah. Nice area to ride around. The only problem is there are birds around, so you might hit your drone with a bird. This is a fly zone, but I don't know, it's wetland, so I don't know if it's allowed or not. But anyway, I'm here. I just finished flying my drone out there, and yeah, it was fun. Place is good for boarding. I see a lot of people walking their dogs, so I just want to have a dog now. But I just realized I was wearing a jacket, and that's why it was so hot. But it was cold this morning. Well, the air is cold, but the sun's up. So yeah, I need to go back home. I'm hungry. Brief stop over to get some hopya. Papa Bear Bakehouse. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah. So apparently there were no more ube hopya. Why is it so dark? Yeah, there were no. I hate this camera. Fucking hell, this camera. I'm starting to hate this camera. It's in focus. Yeah. Apparently there's no ube hopya available, and there's no mango hopya left also. So she said she might make some ube hopya this week. So I'll keep myself posted and try it. For now, I need to go home. Yep, I need to go home.